Welcome to the Actuate Nairobi Summit 2024, where we're redefining how we connect, collaborate, and create. This summit isn't just about networking, it's about profound networking, an approach that transforms conversations into long-lasting, meaningful relationships. At the heart of our summit are 3-day facilitated dialogue workshops designed specifically for deep networking. Over these 3 days, you will not only engage in conversations, but also co-create the future you truly want. It's about engaging in a process that is transformational. Profound networking is where you move beyond the surface. It's where you build long-lasting relationships that have the power to shape your future. By the 3rd day of the workshop, you will have formed not just partnerships, but new enterprises. And the best part? You'll discover how to fund those enterprises through collaborations and shared visions developed during the summit. This is a place where you can be your authentic self, exchange innovative ideas, and leave with both professional and personal connections that stand the test of time. It's an environment built for deep engagement, one where you'll create something greater than just a network. You'll create opportunities that last. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform how you connect. Visit our website to register today and be part of something bigger. Together, let's build the future we all want. Join us at Kenyatta University, Nairobi, Kenya. We look forward to seeing you there, creating the future with us.